What I must do here, DIYs, because I've got aluminium as a frame going around that window, I've got to make sure I'm straight or flat, I should say. And I think it's going to be pretty good. I'll clip it together, have another look at it, and if I have to do any adjustment, I will. Where's my rubber hammer? That's how you adjust your tiles, DIYs, when they're in place or when they're clipped up and they don't move. You know, you can move them into the correct position and they don't move back on you. Now I've got to check this for straightness to make sure I'm straight, that wall's nice and straight, and so are my tiles. So the aluminium is going to be nice and straight. So then, now I can cut my tiles. I've got to cut my tiles to suit. I've got my aluminium in the van, out the front. Yes, that's all very nice if I was going the other way. I was just thinking I could do a sill, but that's making work for myself. So, no. So I'll just pop that there. No, it's not the thing. It's not the thing to do in this situation. Right, so I haven't glued that, I've just popped it in position. I'll do the other one. I'll do the other one too. I'll put that in position. And then I can mark them both. Hot chili. That's good. It could actually come up. Okay, I'll sign off and I'll come back to you shortly. See you soon.